Hi everyone, this is African Mama's Kitchen again with a special delicacy today. Today we will be making Abacha. And everybody gonna say, hey! Yes, correct. Abacha. All the way. We'll be coming all the way from African Mama's Kitchen. So our ingredients to use to make the Abacha today will be the main chief ingredients, which is the Abacha right here, already soaked and ready to go. This is fried fish. I fried the fish already. You just season your fish with salt, pepper. This is mackerel fish. Salt, pepper, Maggi. You know, fried. That's very delicious. That's very nice with Abacha. I have the green vegetable to use to garnish it. When I'm done, I'm gonna use spinach. But if where you have angara, whatever you want, greenish vegetable, that is very essential and good. I have the big angara, also known as garden egg, here already cut, ready to go. I have the wonderful ingredient that will go to the Abacha. I have small crayfish. I have grinded crayfish. I have the big dry shrimp, also known in Nigeria as oporo. I have another wonderful ingredients here, the oba or opaka. I have the red oil that I'm going to use to make the sauce. I have two kind of peppers. If you look at my little ingredients, I have the Cameroon pepper to make it a little spicy. I have the habanero. That is good. I'm going to mix it all together. I have the okpei. I have salt. I have Maggi. Wow. I have the tin. I call it the tin because it is ehuru. When you put it in Abacha, it just makes it pop. It makes the taste pop. When you eat it, it just pop. So I have another garnishing, the onions I'm gonna use to garnish the Abacha when I'm done. And also have the potash. The potash, I use the potash sometimes, not all the time, but I use it to make the sauce so that it will look that rich. So here comes, I have the water. Water is right here. I use the water to mix the potash and the oil so you get the consistency that you will use to make that wonderful Abacha. So right now, I'm gonna be getting ready to I'm doing it the local way. So I'm gonna do the potash, the pepper, so to make all my seasonings, okay? Way to make sure that it's well blended. Then I'm gonna put the okpei in there to blend it too. So I grab it and I drop it in, and I also pound it. See, that's how African Mama's Kitchen does her. And I put my oil in there to use it to do the mixture. So here comes my oil. And I'll do the blending. start. So I'm gonna put the abacha in the pan, like I told you guys. So the abacha I'm doing. It's kind of a lot of abacha, but it's okay. I love abacha though. I love abacha so much. Oh my god, I can eat abacha every day. So here comes the Abacha goes in, and I put the garden egg goes in, and I put all the crayfish, grinded, okoro, shrimpy, all goes in. Looking good. Then I put the Maggi, salt. You know, I'm really Igbo lady. So we do abacha with hands. You know, for you to get the, you know, the mixing, you know, roll it in there so that all the mixture will be in. So I'm gonna use this scoop to put my mixture. Wow. It's kind of peppery. Oh, loving it already. It's gonna come out real good. So, we put all the ingredients in there. So, I'm gonna do it like we do. Okay? Now, roll it in. See? See that? Roll it.
Who is coming over? Who is liking it? See how it's coming out good? Like I always tell my people, African Mama Kitchen is here for you. I'm here to teach, but at the same here, I'm here to deliver. I'm always here for my people. Who is from the east that can identify? Delicious.
Beautiful abacha, also called African salad. So let's set it up and let's see the final product. Wow. This is the final product of abacha, also known as African salad. All the way. I say all the way from African Mama's Kitchen.